ever feel that you're running on low energy, that you're going through your life and all of a sudden, boom, your energy fuel tank goes completely down? Imagine going on the highway and all of a sudden your car runs out of gas. What do you do then? But this happens to our human bodies all the time, to our minds, emotions, spirit. We just run out of energy flat, and then we cannot perform. We cannot manifest to our highest potential for well-being. That has happened to me so many times until I found a system that works for me. And what I detected, I don't know about you, is that I was plugging myself to the wrong sources. Imagine putting gas in your phone or plugging your car to some source that is not, I don't know, like some other, like paint, for example, instead of fuel, or electricity. If you have an electric car, that will be a disaster. This is what we do. We start noticing at the middle of the day, boom, that our energy starts literally collapsing down, and we plug ourselves to caffeinated drinks or to the wrong things or junk food or something that we feel is going to invigorate us. The problem is that that energy is not the right energy for these perfect functioning human bodies. So what happens is we get that very temporary boost of energy, and then boom, we crash down, whether that is sugar or whatever it is. But if we find out that we actually don't plug in on an outside source, but we plug in and restore our energy and recharge from an inside source, and from that vertical connection, from how we feel when we spend time with ourselves and reconnect behind the windows of closed eyes, then we have a very good battery charge to last us consistently through the day. So the question is, if you're one of those people like I've been so many times, guilty as charged, that you run out of energy through the day somewhere along, then if you want to maintain your energy, find out what takes away your energy. Is it tension? Is it fear? Is it stress? Is it too much sugar? Is it the wrong foods in your body? Is too many worries in your mind? What is that is taking away your energy and consuming it so rapidly? But also what conserves energy, and furthermore, what replenishes and restores your energy. For me, it's coming to nature. Why? Because when I come here, I reconnect with myself. I connect with the vertical source of consciousness of oneness, with the divine, the vertical inner teacher, and I restore the energy, and then I have long-lasting energy through the day. Find out what your source of energy is, what helps you reconnect with yourself and have that consistent fuel tank that renders you to perform at your optimal level. And that's what you want. You want the source of energy that is consistent with the human body functioning, and then your brain will be functioning with deep breathing, with oxygen flow. So then you'll be able to thrive being you, and we can thrive together. Go and find your energy source and plug into it.